Hello everyone and welcome back. This week's video has been put on a day late, and the reason for that is Fran and I have both been down with COVID. The video should have gone on yesterday, Sunday, but instead it's going on today, which is Monday. We do apologise for that. I'd like to say while I'm here, thank you all for watching. And if you like this video, can you please give us a thumbs up? That'd be greatly appreciated.
That flies too nicely, doesn't it?
Today Fran's going to put a new lock on this gate. This gate is the latch is very low down and it's not very strong. So what he's going to do is going to bring this up here. Not only that, when people try to open the gate from outside, they have to bend down. So there's the step there. You have to bend down. So it's going to remove all this. Just move it up higher.
Go. Just on our way now to a vacant in it's Ormont, is it? It's called La Hanger. We go there every Saturday. I love the place. We're just driving through this little bit of a forest here. Well, I say a little bit. It was quite big. It's just amazing the height. But we're up at. I'll see if I can show you. Bring it down a little bit. There you go. You just don't realise how high up you are. Saying that little cabinet, the went. Told you should have bought tonight. Don't listen to me.
It's an old table, isn't it?
It's an old one, isn't it? What about brass?
Is that brass?
No, I don't think it was. Looks like that. It's all washed on there.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
It's a nice wardrobe.
Nice design as well. Big little drawers.
It's a nice table as well.
That's the one we seen last week, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
The other one went. The other one got sold. That one, the top's better than that one. No, it's not. The chair with the claw ball feet with as well.
They're old chairs, aren't they?
Yeah. Polygon. I can't read exactly what it says, but it makes sense to it. This is a monument. Just been coming back from a car booth here, and we're just seeing this on the side of the road. And it's a monument for the soldiers, French and American, that lost their lives in the First World War. That's the 1914-1918 war. Yeah, and everything's in French. I'm sorry, but I won't be able to read that. But yeah, but I'm looking at that one there. That appears to be a woman, so it's for the men and the women with the 1914-1918 war. There you go. There's the American flag, and there's the French flag. Sad, but you see a lot of these all over France to the soldiers, especially this region, because this is where a lot of battles went on in the First World War. You've got Montfaucon, where we live. You've got the Great Battle of the Argonne Forest. Which a friend of ours has written a book on that, which you can't get on Amazon. I'll have to show you that. It's a very interesting book. So to think that there would have been battles going on all over this area. Stick down there. How's that? Put a boat through there. Some washers, so it lifts up, so it's back down. I'll have to put like something there to stop it, so it stops on that. And that
Well, they had a screw in this.
yeah, that then, no. Yeah, I'll just put something there so to stop it so it comes down, but I'll have to try and straighten that. And then that's going to go through the wall there. It'll sit on that and then it'll have to lift up. That's the theory anyway. Do you need this green paint left?
No, I don't think so.
Let's pull that in nice stuff back. I knew that would work, that, but that's fair. Pull the white in. Right. So what I need to do now, put that on there. But I don't want to bend it too much, I only want to bend the end of it. So just try to bend it down.
What do you do with the hammer?
I'd say it's bending too much of it. My vice isn't set up or nothing, is it? So I think just not. So let's go there. See. There. Right, then we need something in there then, don't we, just to stop that from dropping down.
Oh, there's a screw on that one.
On that one?
Yeah.
So I've got to put a little hole there, haven't I? Oh, yeah. See? Lift it up. What I'll do is I've got to cut that off, yeah.
Yeah.
So it needs to go in out there.
Try and mark the wall where you're putting it to me.
I'll just drill a hole, put it in, and I'll put a bit of sand or cement in it or something. That's all I can do. Now.
I think we should have some of the green paint in the potting shed.
Paint in the backside, isn't it? You've got to bend down here to open the gate here now.
Yeah, it's high, it's the same height.
Start and back down.
So you're going to take that off in a minute?
Well, I can't do it now because it's a grinder. I'll have to grind it off and I'll have to tap all the bottom. Tap the bolt so it flattens so that the nut can't come off.
Yeah.
So what?
Too soft. Do you know why? It's going right in the post box there.
I know. Just stand it down there.
Smart pipe, isn't it?
Problem is, Dom.
Let's pull it out a bit.
Is that going to hit the gate?
No.
Might be. You're careful now.
It's too far away, so you have to bring it out.
Yeah, I know, but I've got to make sure it doesn't hit the gate. Yeah.
Does it catch you?
Yeah, catch it.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, I'll be able
So
to...
you just want to push it down because it's...
No, because you might pull it out the water touch.
True.
That's it anyway, that's as far as it's got to go. Now you've done that, I need to pull that.
So you just need some green paint to touch it up.
Right, that's me locked on. Just let that go off a little bit. We'll let that go off till tomorrow. So I know it's completely hard. It's locking. That catches. I'll cut this out tomorrow, and then what I'll do is I'll tap it with a hammer so it goes round and it'll stop the nut coming off then.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and then we'll paint that. I know that's just an ugly screw, but once it's got a bit of green paint on. See?
Oh yeah, so it can't catch the hands on it now.
No, it's not just that. It's see the way it's rounded.
Yeah.
No, that nut can't come off,
Okay.
which would have happened if we hadn't.
Yeah.
I don't like that. I'd like something a bit fancy, but
Yeah.
I'm happy with that. And it works. Does the job.
Yeah.
The monument. You look at that now to think that there was a battle going on there back, or going back to 1918. There's the monument there to your right, if you can see it, or whether you can. It's usually lit up, the monument, but tonight it's not for some reason. Maybe because of the fireworks.